Credits tutorial.
Crypto slow with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Today's video is the Bankroll Credits tutorial. Credits is a stablecoin which was created by the Bankroll Network platform. Credits is stable in the sense that it is pegged to 1 TRX. So 1 credit equals 1 TRX. So the question is, why do you want to hold credits? Credits is designed to reward people who purchase credits in the form of divs paid as TRX. So the next question is, how do I get Bankroll credits? Well, it's quite simple. First and foremost, you must have the TronLink Google Chrome wallet installed and some TRX in your wallet. So as you can see here, I have 53 TRX in my TronLink. TronLink talks to dApps, will talk to the website, and will allow you to participate in credits. So how does credits work? Basically, you purchase credits, you hold your credits, and you get paid divs. That's all there is to it. And at any given time, you can withdraw your credits for TRX if you no longer want to participate in the platform. So the longer you hold, though, the more dividends you will receive. You will receive dividends as people buy credits after you, and you will receive dividends as people sell their credits. Now, on to the fee schedule. So, are there fees associated with buying credits? Yes, there are. So as you can see, I've put the number 10 in my buy box, and it says that I will receive 9 credits. So there is a 10% overall fee to buy credits. You're just like, okay, 10%. How does that break down? 8% of that goes to the credit holders, and 1% goes to bank maintenance fees, and 1% goes to the referral system. You get 1% for referring someone to credits. Now, an important point about referrals. In order for your referral link to work properly, you need at least 100 credits in your account. And then that's your next question. Where is my referral link? If you simply scroll down, you'll see your referral link is down here where it says referral link. And then also we'll see the about section, which talks about credits and the breakdown of the fees. So you're like, okay, I want to buy 10 credits. So when I put in 10 TRX, I will receive 10 minus the 10%, which would be 1 TRX. So I will receive 9 credits. So let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see, I have 47.21 right now. I'll hit buy, and OK. And as you can see, my total credits just increased. So, oh, great. So then your next question is, well, what if I want to sell my credits? You can do that as well. Now, how does the sell work? The sell works the same way as the buy. There is a 10% fee to sell. So 8% goes to the credit dividends, 1% to the bank maintenance, and 1% as referrals for the referral system. Now, keep in mind, very importantly, that it will cost you a little energy in your account. And if you don't have energy, as you can see, I have none. This means that it will cost 1 to 2 Tron for me to initiate the smart contract. So, as you can see, I have 47.30, and I'm like, okay, I want my Tron back. So this could be a little confusing for people, and I want to make sure that you understand this. When you sell your credits, they do not directly go to your TronLink. They will show up as a div. Repeat, when you sell, it pops up as a div, okay? which at that point, if you hit the withdrawal button, then it will withdraw to your Tron link. So let's say that I sell 10 credits. As you can see, it says my divs are 22.85. I hit sell, hit accept, close it. Do you see what happened? My divs went up by 9. It did not, repeat, did not go directly to my Tron link. If I wanted to get this into my Tron, I would hit withdraw, accept, and the divs go and they pay to my Tron link. And as you can see, it just jumped up to 63. So, repeat, when you sell credits, they show up as divs. They do not go directly to your Tron link. Okay, so we've covered buying, selling credits, and why it's advantageous to hold credits. Because you don't risk like you do with the inflationary coin platform, because credits are always pegged 1 TRX per 1 credit. So the longer you hold the credits, the more divs you can get. Alright, next we are going to cover transfers. So transfers is great. So let's say that you have multiple accounts, or you just want to move some credits over to your buddy because he just got in. No problem. Super easy. You simply put in their TRX address, okay, and then the amount of credits that you want to send. So let's say I want to send 10, and you hit transfer. Now hit accept. Keep in mind there is a 1% fee to transferring. So it's a 1% fee. You're not paying that 10%. You are allowed to transfer those credits between accounts at a 1% fee. That's it. You're not paying the full 10%. This is just to give you a little more flexibility with your funds. Okay, so now that we've discussed buying and selling credits and why credits are beneficial to hold, let's look at the last two buttons, and those are roll and withdraw. If you withdraw, you can withdraw whatever divs are in the divs spot currently. So right now, if I hit withdraw, I would get 0.055. Now, the only way I could get more would be, at this point, would be to sell some of my credits. So if I sold 25 credits, hit sell, they will appear as divs, okay? And then from there, I can hit withdraw and then accept. And then those 22 Tron end up in my Tron link. That is the withdrawal button. So if you want your TRX back at any time, you can hit withdraw. And the steps for that, if you want to cash out all your credits, you would simply sell all your credits. They would pop up as divs and hit withdraw. Now, you're saying, what is the strategy of this game? Well, this is a long game. This is partly kind of a FOMO, as well as beneficial to hold as long as possible. So when you get credits, you roll your credits. So see how that div came in? When you hit roll, it buys more credits. Keep in mind, when you roll, it is the same as hitting the buy button. You do incur that 10% fee. So every time you roll your divs, you incur that 10% fee. But once again, that is to keep this pegged 1 TRX to 1 TRX. So that's it. My strategy for this is to roll for as long as possible and then start collecting divs on the way down. Now, from a sustainability point, there will be other things that could possibly be feeding credits. One thing that will be feeding credits is luck. and that is the platform dice game. So holders of the credits will receive luck dividends as well as buy and sell dividends. So this is very exciting. It's very early and things have just started, and it's off to a fantastic start. So I hope you enjoyed the Bankroll Credits tutorial tonight. This is Crypto Slow. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.